I have been super duper busy. Just have appointments like every day. And tomorrow I'm going to the mechanic again. And then Wednesday I have to drive my husband to the career conference bus where they drive them all over Texas. And this time he's going to San Antonio, I believe, or I don't even know, Austin somewhere. Um, and then it's so freaking far where these people have their office. Oh my goodness. And with the traffic, and you got to be there at 8 in the morning, and so that's going to be horrible. And then Thursday I have an appointment, and then Friday I got to pick him up. So again, every day this week I'm out. Every day last week I was out except for Friday, over the weekend, and today, and I really really needed that rest. So I haven't gotten to swatching the Rose collection, but I also need to swatch this. I did get this. So I did get this. The one is called the Sultry Nights. I got this last month and I keep forgetting to show it to you. And this is Tropical Days. And for lips, these are, I don't even know how to describe them. They feel so wonderful on the lips. And they're not as opaque, at least maybe they're buildable. I tried it on my hand and I tried it on my lips. These are like what those things before that were really popular. They were like chapsticks and lipsticks and glosses in one or something. Oh my goodness. So I got the darkest red and a bright red. And then I got the mauve and the berry color. This one's called Carnival and Mauve to Brazil. So the dark one's Carnival and the lighter one is Mauve to Brazil. And then I got, this was called Acai Berry and Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. And that's the darker, like red, and then the brighter red. And they feel so luscious and wonderful on the lips. But again, I just, I thought that when my son, since I was finished with school, things would slow down. But it just seems the doctor's appointments just keep piling on. It's not just for me; it's for my daughter. So I've still been very busy. And again, it wasn't just that. You've got dentists, you've got, like, I have to, my husband's got this career conference, and so much is always going on. I purposefully left my day before my birthday free because I want to dye my hair. It's actually, I thought it was a deep, like rose quartz, but it's actually a brighter pink color that I had gotten. So I'm gonna do my hair using that. I'm gonna I'm gonna be busy taking care of myself the day before my birthday, and then on my birthday, I'm going off on my birthday, and I believe then the next day my daughter has to take that medicine. I feel bad for her. She's gonna be in the bathroom all day, and then the following day to do the colonoscopy. She's doing both, and then then Friday we have the dental appointment. So. It's just always one thing after another, but I'm hoping that after that I might have some free time because I want to do all the swatches for you, and so yeah, well, at least Physicians Formula is permanent, but the deep rose, I knew that wasn't, so I figured I'd get this done. So yeah, obviously you can do this eyeshadow, there's 4 colors. You could do at least 4 different looks with it. Yeah, I wanted to do a smoky. I really like that purple, and I would like to try the gloss alone, the High Shine lip color alone, because it's a beautiful mauvey purple color. So yeah. So I will see you guys. I might see you guys for my birthday as opposed, because I got a do my makeup for my birthday. I wanted to do something nice and special. And, you know, I know because Monday I'll probably be busy with my hair. I don't know, unless I'm done early. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you this and give you my opinion. This has a lot of fallout, but I will say that I like the intensity of the colors. I do like the pigmentation. The lipstick is good. It's dry. It dries on matte. The gloss is really, you know, nice and moisturizing feeling. And the blush surprised me. I was like, how is that gonna work? But it works. It's black and it's got like some gold shimmer in it. But yeah, it works. So okay, I will see you next week, and I'm sorry that I don't have swatches up or anything, but it's just one thing after another, and then if I get a day free, I'm trying to clean, or I'm just exhausted and just trying to rest. So okay, I love you guys. I will see you next week. Mwah.